Laundry Day and the Presence of Evil. Be careful, or your chores will chortle you. By Brandon Elrich. I'm thankful this month for my subscribers. I'd be even more thankful if you'd upgrade to a paid subscription. Click subscribe now. Does anyone enjoy household chores like doing dishes or laundry? I don't hear anyone cheering from the rooftops, so I'll take that as a no. Some weirdos, people, say that doing dishes is calming, therapeutic. How about you come to my house and wash my dishes as well? I'll sit and listen as you become my personal ASMR. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? You can do my laundry too if you'd like. I have some piling up as we speak. The presence of evil. Pile of dirty laundry, why dost thou mock me? Thou taketh up space on my floor to shock me. Each day thou buildeth a mountain yet steeper, reminding me I'm not a good housekeeper. Thy filth and thy stench assault all my senses. I glance thy way as my whole body tenses. Begone, I declare, take thyself from this floor. Thy silent response only mocketh me more. Underwear and jeans I have worn more than once. On the bottom a shirt I've not seen in months. Darkness hath o'ertaken my dreams as of late, murderous trousers lurking, lying in wait. Begone, I repeat, thou garments of evil! Thy presence here is the work of the devil. Thou lieth unmoving, a demon sleeping, yet day by day across the floor thou art creeping. I'll put off the laundry, though it may be wrong, waiting till my dresser holds naught but a thong. A visitor cometh, I must clean the floor. On second thought, screw it, I'll just shut the door. Does this poem describe your situation? If you can relate, or even if you simply enjoyed this ridiculous rhyme, consider becoming a paying subscriber for $6 per month or $60 per year. You can collaborate with me on an article like this one, an audio podcast, or join me on live videos. Click subscribe now. To subscribe without collaborating, you can sign up for $3 per month or $30 per year. Click 50% off. If you want to think about it first, please buy me a coffee. I appreciate any support you're willing or able to offer.